Purchased a new holster. Came in El Paso, Texas. I kind of expected a little better quality. It wasn't that expensive, but man, it's pretty. Not really crazy about the stitching on the back of it, but anyway, you'd have to use it with a pull-through belt. My cowboy belt holster wouldn't, well, it'd work for this, but anyway, it's beautiful. I got it because I just thought it looked good, and like anything else, you know, isn't that pretty though? It's got a good hold to it. Looks really good with that Ruger. But like I said, you know, you'd have to go with a belt. You know, you do your leg tie down here, which is fine. I mean, I'm not real thrilled with the leather. I'm gonna have to oil that real good. I might have my leather guy just redo this a bit. But man, it looks great, doesn't it? Especially with that grip. And like I said, you pull these tight. And you guys that's not familiar with these thumb snap. Well, it's like a thumb snap, but that's what it's for. And I mean, that just looks great with that gun, doesn't it? Especially with that buckle on it. So, anywho, bottom. I'll have to get me. I got a couple of just cowboy work belts that are actually pretty good. They don't have some of the features you'd want in your belt, but you know, these things won't fall out. I rode with one of these. A horse, well, actually a mule, even worse. But I had one of these hammer holes, but anyway, it didn't cost much, so I got it. Came in today.